Welcome back. Authorities in Broome County, where the suspect in Saturday's mass shooting grew up, have offered details about the alleged shooter's past, like how disturbing comments about murder and suicide prompted a mental health evaluation. But the Broome County District Attorney under fire now over comments he made about the attack.
I'm from downstate. Terrorism is flying planes into buildings. This is just murder, as far as I'm concerned. It is terrorism because you're terrorizing the community, and it was racially motivated, we believe, at this point in time. But, you know, from the DA's perspective, crime is crime. And whatever your motive for doing it, your motive is you're an evil person, and that's why you're doing it. So.
Now, that district attorney speaking one-on-one today with 7 News reporter Olivia Proia and addressing those comments he made yesterday.
A controversial comment clarified.
I just want to set the record straight. I'm not saying it wasn't a terroristic act. It's a heinous, racially motivated mass murder. The fact that I didn't say domestic terrorism, I mean, it is domestic terrorism, but under the penal law, not easier, but you have to prove less elements to prove the charge of murder in the first degree.
So basically what you're saying is in order to be charged with like a hate crime under state law, there's more evidence needed. And if that's not proved beyond a reasonable doubt, there's a greater chance that he could walk than with first degree murder.
Right. In the terrorism motivated by hate, you have to prove his motivation. Now, do I think that based on what I've heard about the case, that will be difficult to do? Probably not if this writing is attributed to him. However, in the murder in the first degree charge, you just have to prove intentional murder of more than one person. And that's obviously clear by what happened. You don't have to prove his motivation for it. And the sentences are identical.
Broome County District Attorney Michael Korchak says there was not enough evidence for red flag laws to prevent the suspect from buying a gun.
I have to follow the law as the district attorney, whether I agree with it or not. And the red flag law indicates that we have to show to a court that there has to be an extreme, it's an extreme risk protection order. So we have to show that the person is an immediate risk to himself or others.
So basically by the mental health workers saying he's no risk, your hands are tied in that situation.
It was in this particular case because we have to present evidence to a judge that he is an imminent risk.
Could we see any charges towards anyone coming out of your office?
I mean, it's all part of the investigation, so I really can't comment on that.
Olivia Proia, 7 News.